Nyven V11 Umlo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Sounds good, right? It claims to clean dust, pet hair, and dirt from floors and carpets super easily with strong suction. But is it really as good as it sounds? That's what we're here to find out. First off, they say it's been featured on HSN, BuzzFeed, and many other platforms. But here's the thing, we couldn't find solid proof. So can we really trust these claims? Probably best to be cautious and double-check before believing everything. Next, they throw out some big numbers. Like 86% of users say they clean more often and even enjoy it. 88% noticed cleaner air and less dust. And 93% were shocked at how much dirt it picked up. Sounds impressive, right? But there's no source for these stats, so they might not mean much. Then there's the marketing buzzwords. Ranked number 1 in performance by real users. See the difference. Feel the clean. They sound catchy, but what do they really mean? Without proof, it's hard to know if these statements are true. Another thing, if you need help or have questions, they only give an email for customer support. No phone number, no live chat, no physical address. That can be worrying if you run into problems. And finally, when we checked Trustpilot and other review sites, we couldn't find a single review. No feedback from real customers makes it really hard to know if this vacuum actually works or if people are happy with it. So, is the Nyven V11 Umlo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner legit? Honestly, with all these concerns, unverified media mentions, questionable stats, vague claims, limited support, and no real reviews, it's hard to fully trust this product. If you're thinking about buying it, be careful. There's not enough evidence to prove it's reliable. Thanks for sticking around till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.